My name is Erin Lysak, and I am a graduate student at Bowling Green State University studying organization development. I hope you enjoy my presentation on my personal OD method entitled Whole Brain, Whole Team. Many ideas grow better when transplanted into another mind than the one where they sprang up. Oliver Wendell Holmes. The rooms division of a hotel is composed of housekeeping and the front office. The two departments must function as one team in order to deliver a seamless guest experience from check-in to departure. However, the ways in which the departments operate is incredibly different. The front desk is the face of the hotel, while the housekeeping department gets down and dirty, literally. Whole Brain, Whole Team is a one-day event focused on bringing together disjointed work groups, such as housekeeping in the front office might be. The goal of the method is to help people understand the work styles and ways of thoughts in others. In doing so, individuals grasp the importance of teamwork and gain an appreciation for the way their colleagues and teammates learn and grow. Additionally, the event focuses on bringing to the forefront the importance of each member of any team and the value each contributor has to offer. Organizations with many different departments bear employees with many different mindsets, thought processes, and ways of operating. The different perspectives on work within multi-departmental organizations, particularly those featuring departments that operate very differently, within a hotel, for example, the housekeeping and front office departments, can create silos among those departments or even interdepartmentally. The common goal of any organization can be lost as each department focuses on what those employees feel to be most prevalent. This method focuses on aligning the departmental goals of each department within an organization with an all-encompassing common goal for the organization as a whole. The method focuses on improving communication among different departments as well as hearing the voices of all organization members. Whole Brain, Whole Team is a planning method seeking to assist various departments to operate as one team. If organization members can agree on the desired future state, with a focus on collaboration and communication, the organization will move forward as one, as opposed to segmented departments. In order to ensure all voices within an organization are heard, I have developed a method I call Whole Brain, Whole Team. It explores the idea that people learn, train, and think differently from one another. The method capitalizes on the idea that a productive team is reliant on individuals who think, reason, and understand differently to perform optimally. It is a method dedicated to understanding that people learn differently, think differently, and operate differently. Most importantly, it's dedicated to ensuring that people are capable of working together, even when differences in style are evident. This method is suited to organizations with more than one department that operate in different fashions but must still work towards one underlying common goal. The goal is to involve the entirety of the organization in the process, as to ensure everyone within the organization feels a sense of ownership over the common goal when the intervention is complete. A study by the Asian Economic and Social Society confirmed that all departments need to work together in order for that business to thrive, stating that effective interdepartmental communication is the lifeblood of a successful organization. I'm sure that we have all experienced both poor and positive communications among departments and can vouch for how much more successful you feel individually and as a team when communication flows easily and there is commonality in purpose. The goal of Whole Brain, Whole Team is for departments to have a better understanding of one another's operations and for the entirety of the organization to have a clear understanding as to what every department does in order to achieve the bottom line. In order for Whole Brain, Whole Team to be successful, participants will need to come to the table with an open mind and a willingness to explore thinking outside of their own norm. Group members need to recognize the difficulties facing other departments, as well as encourage open lines of communication continuously. Finally, participants need to be self-reflective, willingly examining their own behaviors in order to behave in a way that is beneficial to the whole team. Whole Brain, Whole Team is a method based on innovation, creativity, and encouragement. The simple rules guiding the application of this method are collaboration, positive communication, and commonality in purpose. Whole Brain, Whole Team is a method that can be used in a variety of ways. For example, it could be used in a workshop setting. It would encourage team appreciation and collaboration, and could take anywhere from 1 to 6 hours. The number of participants could also vary, from 10 to well over 100. The process currently consists of 3 distinct stages. The length of time needed to complete the effort will vary based on organization size, but each stage should be completed quickly enough as to not lose momentum towards the common goal and to maintain a sense of enthusiasm for the process among employees. It would be my current recommendation that Whole Brain, Whole Team be revisited annually to ensure continued efforts towards one common goal and assure opportunities for correction as needed. To begin the day, the facilitator will introduce a physical activity, something I'd like to call breaking the ice, in an effort to energize the colleagues gathered and to encourage a positive, interactive tone for the day. The facilitator will begin the method with a challenge. The second method, creative envisioning, will be an exercise in visualization. Colleagues will be asked to discuss and agree upon what a cooperative work environment looks like. This is an exercise in collaboration, thorough planning, and creative thinking. The purpose of the visualization is to engage those who define themselves as more analytical, as well as those defined as creative thinkers. Additionally, it brings to light how the meaning of cooperation differs from colleague to colleague. The third stage, the desired future state stage, is a facet of the method involving 2 important aspects: the creation of a plan and the use of mind mapping. The theoretical and foundational basis of Whole Brain, Whole Team includes team learning by Peter Senge, an aspect of his text, The Fifth Discipline, the theory of experiential learning by David Kolb, and the theory of mind mapping by Tony Buzan. Success with the method of Whole Brain, Whole Team would include an organization with free-flowing communication. It would also bear departments that understand their own purpose and importance while working towards the common goal of the organization as a whole. Additionally, the intervention would optimally create relationships among employees from different departments and foster a sense of togetherness and unity among the organization as one team. Thank you for taking the time to watch my presentation. I hope you've enjoyed.